Hey, how's it going guys? I'm Blake Sykes, and today we're talking about 4 ways to up your photo game. First is horizon lines. One of the ways to separate a good photo from a bad photo is the horizon line. It only takes you 10 seconds in post-processing to fix that rotation and get that horizon line perfectly straight. And even though this is a small thing, I guarantee you'll see a big difference in your photos. Second, keep it simple. So one of the problems that I see, even with my photos and a lot of the photos out there, is having an image that is too busy. Don't give the viewers a hard time in understanding what the photo is actually of, otherwise they're just going to scroll right past it. The point of a subject is to draw all the focus on that person, object, or place that you're in. So use locations that highlight that subject in that place. Third, to tell a story in your photos. Now, I know this can be hard to do at first. The quickest and easiest tip that I can give you to train your brain to do this is start by coming up with a story yourself and using 10 images to tell that story. And then the next time use 7 images, and then the next time use 4 images, all the way until you get down to 1 image. And I think the most important tip of all is look for moments and expand on those moments. What I mean by this is you might not think about it, but every great photo that you've ever seen is of a moment, and those moments always have movement in it. So without that movement, we can't actually tell a story through our photos. You've heard that saying, like, people see things as glass half full or glass half empty. This can work the same with photos as well. Not everybody's going to get the same story that you're telling. We reflect on our own experiences, and then that's how we perceive the photo. Capturing a moment actually helps people to relate that to their experiences, and then they enjoy the photo more. So maybe that experience that they relate to is a great experience, and then they feel happy when they see that photo. Without the movement or that moment, people just see the image, but they don't relate to it. So thanks guys, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, my Instagram's right there. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.